What's going on, guys? Jordan at Iron and Grit here. About to have some dinner. As you can see, I got a little different surroundings. I'm at my parents' house watching my dog, Lila, over there. Say hi, Lila. Lila wants something to eat? As I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted by an incoming call, I'm watching my dog, Lila. Hi, baby. You want something to eat? Oh, that's a big piece. Can you sit? Can you sit? Can you high five? Give me a high five. Yeah. There you go. Nom, 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 nom. She loves her chicken. So here's what we got. 100 grams of broccoli, 50 grams of brown rice, and 10 ounces of pulled chicken that was slow cooked in the crock pot for over 10 hours, and it tastes freaking delicious. And then key component right here, Valentina. I love this hot sauce. It reminds me, my mom used to work at a Mexican restaurant when I was little. It reminds me of the chip dip sauce that they had. Something about it, man, just takes me back, and it's really good. It's probably my favorite. I like it better than Frank's even, and I love Frank's. So, had a hell of a workout 2 days ago. I did a feeder workout, which was super intense. It's 100 reps of curls, followed by 100 reps of, or 60 reps of skull crushers, supersetted immediately, no rest in between, back to back, and you do that 3 times in a row. Those 2 exercises that are supersetted, you do that 3 times in a row. And dude, my triceps are freaking lit up still. I think my nervous system had to tell me to slow down and recover, because like the last 2 days I've been freaking exhausted, and I go pretty hard in the gym, but I must have taken it to another level because I really needed to recover and sleep. So eating a lot of extra carbs, smashed a box of cereal last night, just trying to grow, gain some muscle. Since my last show, I put on about 14 pounds, a lot of it in my legs and some in my arms as well. I brought a little bit of fat back around my midsection, and I'm gonna start getting really serious in my diet here within the next week, and then because I'll be about 6 or 7 weeks out from my next show at the end of May. So looking forward to that one. Just want to let you guys in on what I was eating for dinner. I got this meal prepped. I meal prepped it on Sunday, and this is what I've been eating for lunch, for dinner, and then tonight I forgot my protein at my house in Grand Rapids, so I've been eating a lot of cereal at night with some milk. So I bought a new milk today. I'm gonna try it. It's supposed to be lactose free because regular milk messes with my stomach. I'm assuming I'm lactose intolerant. Didn't know that. Well, I had a hunch, but I don't know when that happened. So yeah, guys, drop me a line if you got any questions about workouts, any questions about diet, meal plans, anything like that. Check out my blog, ironandgrit.com. Follow me on Instagram at ironandgrit, and check out some merch. I got some sweet shirts that dropped not too long ago at ironandgrit.net. And if you don't feel like doing any of that, just say hi, leave a comment. Talk to you later, guys. Have a great week. Peace.